Hair loss. It's terrible. I struggled with it for years. I started losing my hair when I was like 25 in the back, and it's just progressed since then. I wish we had the technology back then that we have today. So we now have available at our facility the products from GetHairMD. And there's a lot of products out there, and it's a little bit confusing as to what to do. The best I can tell you is that a multimodality approach is probably the best. We're having phenomenal results on men and women. Their hair loss is stopping. They're not having hair fall out all the time, and they're regrowing hair, and it's just amazing. Again, I wish it was available for me. I'm a little bit too far gone at this point to use it. Yes, we use the red laser. It absolutely helps. We have a device that you can take home. It's not quite as strong. Our device in-house is the strongest laser on the market. You come in once a week, twice a week, and you get 30 minutes of treatment. But what we do also is we do a topical medication that helps you regrow hair. It inhibits the enzymes that prevent the hair from growing or cause it not to grow as well. And we do that by doing a DNA sample, a swab out of the inside of your mouth. A week or so later, we get the DNA results back, and then we have a pharmacy that reads these DNA results and knows how to put together the correct combination of topical medications that you are going to be most responsive to. So we're dialing in on the best medication, because you can go out and pick up some minoxidil and use it for a year and say, this doesn't work very well. It turns out your DNA is not driving you to be receptive to that particular medication. Maybe you need finasteride, or maybe you need a combination of the two, or some other medications. So we'll do DNA testing. We have a very high-tech AI-driven computer camera that we look at your scalp, and we can tell what percentage of your hair follicles are really healthy and doing well, which ones are not, how many hair follicles per cubic inch where you're growing these more healthy follicles and not so healthy follicles. And then we can look at you 2, 3 months later and look at that same zone and show you, oh, you're responding really well or not so well. And um, we also do dermal infusion, which is taking the place of injecting your scalp with PRP or other medications, exosomes, et cetera, that's going to help grow hair. And so with the combination of DNA and looking at your scalp under high magnification, and the correct topical medications, and the best laser on the market, and et cetera, we're going to help you grow hair, giving it all the advantages it needs with modern technology, and the results are phenomenal. Come in, we'll do a free exam and consultation, totally complimentary. And if you're interested, get you going on this new path to get your hair to stop falling out and start growing back.